In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove contacts from Yahoo Mail. Before we begin, I want to mention something important. The on-screen actions shown here actually demonstrate how to send a folder through Yahoo Mail by first compressing it into a zip file. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you clearly through that exact process in a simple and natural way. Start by opening your file browser on your computer. This could be File Explorer on Windows or Finder on a Mac, depending on the device you're using. Once it's open, navigate to the folder you want to send. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct folder, especially if it contains multiple files, because this is the folder that will be attached to your email. Next, right-click the folder. In the menu that appears, look for the option to compress the folder. On some computers, you may see wording like compress to or something similar. From there, choose zip file. This creates a compressed version of your folder, which makes it easier to attach to an email. If your computer takes a few seconds to create the zip file, that's completely normal. Now open Yahoo Mail and sign into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, click New Message to start composing a new email. This will open a blank message window where you can fill in the details. Enter the recipient's email address in the To field, then add a subject line and type your message in the body of the email. It's always a good idea to make your subject line clear and relevant so the recipient immediately understands what the email is about. After that, click the Attach Files icon, which usually looks like a paperclip. This will open a file selection window on your computer. Browse to the zip file you just created, select it, and then click Open. Yahoo Mail will begin uploading the file automatically. Now wait for the upload to finish. This step is important because if you try to send the message before the attachment is fully uploaded, the file may not be included properly. Larger zip files may take a little longer, depending on your internet speed. Once the upload is complete and you can see the attached zip file in your email, click Send. And that's it. You've successfully attached a compressed folder and sent it through Yahoo Mail.